in this video series, I talked about there was going to be a little bonus content. It's an on location, and so part of it is, when I'm in the studio here, I know that sometimes that can be the same old, so I like to go out on location if I can by motorcycle and make these videos for y'all. But the bonus content is going to be talking about the security of your smartphone and whether or not your thumbprint or your facial ID is a type of security that needs to be overcome with a search warrant if your phone were to be seized because it might have evidence of a crime or because you committed a crime. And I hope you're never in that situation, but the Supreme Court of the United States issued a pretty landmark decision a few years ago saying that warrantless searches and seizures of phones are not approved. So law enforcement needs to get a warrant, not a very difficult burden. It's a burden where a law enforcement agent has to articulate to a magistrate or a judge that they believe that a crime has occurred and outline some of those facts and swear to them so that the judge feels confident that people's Fourth Amendment and state of Texas rights to be secure in their papers and things and their homes is not being set aside arbitrarily. So the issue of your identity, your thumbprint, your face print, your facial recognition, not completely settled law, but you don't have a right to privacy in your identity. A passcode is a different thing. That's like a combination lock on a footlocker. You have a right to privacy in secured papers and things, the lock on your front door, etc. So what came up in the practice today, and that was your identity and whether or not you have the right to privacy and constitutional protections for your voice print, your thumbprint, and your face print. And although I don't think that the issue of your face has been conclusively litigated in the courts of the United States of America in Texas, it's pretty much a foregone conclusion that your identity is not something that can be protected by a search and seizure privilege. So just be cognizant of that you don't have a right to privacy against unreasonable government searches and seizures with your thumbprint, with your face print, and essentially those unique genetic identifiers that are part of your body and that can be used to link you to criminal activities. Anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy this beautiful backdrop. Can you believe it's 75 degrees in Texas?